pumpkin rice served with curry chicken back. Wagwan me YouTube family, welcome back to another video. So today we are making some pumpkin rice. So to start, we have here a pound of pumpkin. So as you can see, we just dice the pumpkin. Afterwards, you're going to wash it off and toss it into the pot and allow it to cook until the pumpkin is soft based on your liking. To the pot, I'm going to add some coconut milk powder. If you have the natural coconut from the tree, you can go ahead and do that. But I didn't have any available at the time, so I'll go ahead and add my coconut milk powder. They work just the same, but the natural coconut would give you, a nicer flavor to the pumpkin rice. It would taste better. But both of them work just the same, right? So we're just going to allow the coconut powder to dissolve into the water with the pumpkin. Afterwards, you're going to allow the pumpkin to boil until it is soft or quite tender, and also allow the coconut milk to boil. We're going to season the pot. To season the pot, I'm going to add some thyme, some fresh thyme. I'm also going to add some scallion or green onions. Right, and I'm also going to allow the pot to cook and extract that flavor from the vegetables. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very soft pumpkin that we're working with. So the pumpkin didn't take a lot of time to cook. It takes about 10 minutes or less. So what I like to do with my pumpkin rice is I like to crush or to squash, whatever you guys want to call it. I like to mash out the pumpkin into the pot. So that's what I'm doing here. Yes, I like to crush it into the pot, right? Some people, they just prefer to strain the pumpkin and just leave that yellow color with the coconut milk. I don't like that. I prefer to squash it or to mash the pumpkin into the pot, right? But be careful not to burst the Scotch bonnet pepper, because I know you guys wouldn't like that. Well, for the people who love spicy food, I know I love that, but for me, Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and add some salt to taste, and I'll just go ahead and taste to see if I need to add more salt based on my liking. So you can adjust the salt based on your preference. Next, I'm going to add the washed rice to the pot and allow the rice to steam until the grains are fried tender. And this is our pumpkin rice served with curry chicken. But want to check out more of our videos? Check these out.